Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can split screens on your MacBook. I'm using macOS Big Sur, however the same process, the same steps apply to pretty much every other version of the macOS as well. So normally when you click on this green icon, it goes into full screen. Let's actually just revert that. Now what we want to do is hover over this green icon, or you can just click and hold on it. And then from here select tile window to the right of the screen. So the screen has not been split. I would like this to be taking all of this vertical space as well. So I'll click this and it adjusts itself to the left of the screen. Now if I want to move or switch their positions, I can just click here and drag it to the left side of the screen. Similarly, if I want to change the orientation, I can just use this bar to change the sizes. Now that's one way of doing it. Another way to do that is to simply drag and drop these in separate windows. So what you have to do is click and hold on this tab and drag it all the way up to the top of the screen until this appears, and then drop it here. Similarly, now this is the other application that you'd like to have on the screen. So drag this as well and drop it over here. Now if you move to this desktop, it shows these two applications sharing the screen. And you can use the same thing that we did before to change their sizes by clicking here and moving left or right to change the orientation. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any feedback, do not forget to drop it down in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.